Troubleshooting a CH05 error code on an LG air conditioner. LG makes it easy to diagnose problems with your air conditioner should you run into any issues. If an issue occurs, the air conditioner is programmed to communicate diagnostic messages, displayed as codes that can assist you or a technician in getting the unit back to optimum performance. If you are seeing a CH05 error code on your air conditioner's display panel, this indicates a communication error between the outdoor and indoor unit, where the indoor unit does not receive a signal from the outdoor unit. The only way to resolve the CH05 error code is with repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.